Sandy Wine Creek at Wilmington until late Thursday night, or until the warning is canceled. At 6:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 16.0 feet. Flood stage is 16.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage this evening and continue to rise to near 17.7 feet by tomorrow morning. The river will fall below flood stage by tomorrow evening. Impact at 19.0 feet. Serious flooding occurs at the DuPont plant.